ॐ नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome everyone. Devotees, disciples, Inner Awakening graduates, Sadashivoham 2016 graduates, sitting with us all over the world now, in hundreds of places through Nityananda TV private streaming and two-way video conferencing, and physically here in Bengaluru Adhinam. I have a big bomb to drop today. There is so much happening inside. I am seeing that same thing happening outside. Whatever is happening inside me and outside me, even I am not able to predict what is the result is going to be. But only one thing I can be sure, it is going to be great auspiciousness. One of the, instead of the word one of the, I should say the greatest spiritual happening on the planet Earth is happening right now in Bengaluru Adhinam. And I am seeing Sadashiva is going beyond power manifestation. It's not just about power manifestation, beyond power manifestation. Last year I asked for 400 people to come and start getting initiated to manifest powers and take it to the world. Of course, people were taking their own time and all that. Now I am seeing not just 400, at least 3,000-4,000 gathering. It is not about 3,000-4,000 number. The way Sadashiva is preparing himself to initiate everyone with the powers. So the next biggest breakthrough, the next happening is going to be Sadashivatva from May 13th, 21-day program. From May 13th, 21-day program. It is actually more than a program, orientation for Adhinavasis. People who want to manifest all the powers of Sadashiva, reside in the Adhinam. One, they manifesting and helping others to manifest. To reside in the Adhinam, I only wanted to insist, repeat one thing. Sadashiva, in his formless energy, in his energy form, and in his very form, in all three ways, Rupa, arupa, and rupa, rupa, rupa. Form, formless, and formless form. In all three ways, he is here doing his job. Whether giving boons or completing people, awakening human beings, giving them powers, enlightenment, manifesting powers through them, what not. He is in his full form. He is in his full form more than power manifestation. When the oneness, which expresses as powers in you, when that oneness becomes your cognition from which you take even decision, the ultimate radiates through you. Understand? Out of that oneness space, Sadashivatva, you manifesting powers is one, and you manifesting your decisions, cognitions is totally next level, different level. Sadashivatva, the program is basically aimed at making you function from the cognition you are the ultimate. Understand? Even the power manifestation is nothing but flesh being fed to the cub. So the cub starts roaring. But when cub changes its cognition from sheep to lion, when it starts not just roaring, roaming around the forest as lion, that is Sadashivatva. Listen. It is not just power manifestation, manifesting cognitions. The next level of Sadashiva's work is going to be manifesting cognitions from the depth of Sadashivatva. What the side effects of it is going to be, how it is going to look, feel, you need to know. That is when, only then you will be inspired what to do, how. Only if you can visualize the end result, you can start romancing with it, visualizing it, fantasizing it, thinking about it, start moving forward towards it. I know. Last 2 days I am only sitting and trying to verbalize what is being downloaded. When you cognize yourself as Sadashiva and start functioning, acting from that cognition in your depth, how things will look and how things will be, what life is going to be and how life happens. I should say, with all my integrity, the very description looks fantastic and unbelievable, even for me who is supposed to describe. See, when I said the power manifestation is going to be like a regular lifestyle on the planet Earth, surely many felt, no, it is impossible. But you can see already it is happening. I don't want to say it has happened already. I can very comfortably say it is happening. See, it's like a medicine has been discovered and it's all ready. Only it need to be produced in mass quantity and reached out to everyone through the proper chain. We are exactly in that same position. The whole system is ready. We just have to reach out to the world. Before even taking this science of power manifestation to the world, the next science has already started opening up. The next level, cognitions, please understand, the cognitions are the identity from which you operate. Opening your third eye and operating it is power. Not opening your third eye is powerlessness. But understanding 3I itself is a too poor cognition, and you have thousands, millions of eyes. Sahasra Sirsha Purusha Sahasraksha is change of cognition. I know you can't clap because you are not able to grasp. Opening your third eye and operating it is powerfulness, power. Unable to open your third eye is powerlessness. So this whole science of power manifestation operates from this level. But changing the very cognition, the idea you have only 3 I is a very poor cognition. It's not 3. Every I available is available to this I. Every EYE available is available to this I, is change of cognition. Now, operating from the higher cognitions, moving your cognitions to the next level. Operating from the higher cognitions. That is what exactly I mean by Sadashivatva. Not with your effort, but just by initiation. Not with your effort. By your effort, if you have to open your third eye, yes, you will open when you are able to walk only with the third leg. Not before that. Just like power's initiation, the change of cognitions, initiations have started happening in my system. That is what is going to be the next most or greatest spiritual happening on the planet Earth as of now. This is the breaking news, and you are the most updated as per the cosmic news. Of course, everything else is irrelevant. All other breaking news is breaking news. This is the making news. So all other breaking news is breaking news, and this is the making news. So, I know how it took few days for power manifestation even to be understood. I know it will take few days for all of you to understand this cognition manifestation. In further satsang sessions, I'll explain with a lot more examples, understandings. This one example I gave Maybe if you contemplate on it, understand, you having third eye and not using it is powerlessness. You having third eye, opening it and using it is powerfulness. Due to the oneness with Sadashiva, you manifest that Shakti and your third eye starts operating. But you manifesting the cognition, every eye, EYE, available, is available for this eye, which is in you. That cognitive shift, that change of cognition is what I call Sadashivatva. The oneness with Sadashiva, manifesting not just as powers, manifesting as higher cognitions. Not just as higher possibilities or higher powers, but manifesting as higher cognitions. I am seeing sometimes, especially our long-time devotees start thinking, oh God, I never thought Swamiji can take us further. Done. And in 3 months he is ready with the next boom. I'm telling you, when Sadashiva starts manifesting this cognitive shift, cognitions change through initiations, this 460 power manifestation will be just like a cakewalk. I'm not even saying you need to walk on the cake. Cake will walk on you. And just come and fall itself, drop itself in your mouth. It's not that you need to walk on cake. One thing I can be sure, you guys are here for a spiritual feast. Whoever heard, even heard, Sadashiva is here operating. Blessed. If you tasted, you are blessed. One of my secret followers, has recently accepted Sadashiva is person 2. Who was reiterating continuously, don't reduce Shiva to a person. It's a concept, energy. Anyhow, his time is good, and very recently he has accepted Sadashiva is concept, dimension and person. You only need to accept that he is operating from Bengaluru Adinam, which will happen very soon. So from next LSP, you can expect me initiating you all into this cognitive shifts and next level of powers. You heard the making news. Now it is your responsibility to take it to the world. So the important essence is Sadashivatva chalo, Adinam chalo. Ultimately, inviting all of you, whatever may be the age, pack your bags or nothing to pack. Drop yourself before May 13th. I know now many people, oh, just now I came back from India. Anyhow, get ready. You will not be able to stop the temptation. Don't think, no, just now I came back. I cannot plan now. No, you will not be able to, because you are going to attend next few satsangs and sessions, and you are going to see me describing, and your friends and relatives who are in the Nityananda Yogam, they will be calling you and describing what is going on now. And if you decide now, you can save on flight tickets. Otherwise, as usual, end of the time, just in last few days, you will be scrambling, running around and booking the tickets. You will do the usual stuff. Come on. You know, ultimately, who is the decision maker in your life? So, pack your bags and mark your calendar from May 13th to end of the life. What it is to be an Adhinavasi. I am redefining because I am reinventing the whole Sangha. Basically, being integrated to Sadashiva, manifesting the space, experience, powers of Sadashivatva, Sadashiva, and helping others, making others manifest. You manifesting, making others manifest. This time I am going to make it happen very effortlessly, painlessly. Because of this cognitive shift, science of cognitive shift, it will be happening very effortlessly, very playfully, very powerfully, without difficulties. You may ask, can I do wherever I am? I'll straight away answer, no, it is not possible. You need to be physically here in Bangalore Adhinam. Because the cognitions move from body to body, not from mind to mind. Understand? Ideas move from mind to mind. Energy moves from space to space. Cognitions move from body to body. That is why even Sadashiva needs a body to give you the cognitions. He assumed the body because he needs body to transmit these cognitions to you for the cognitive shift. Listen. Cognitions move from body to body. Make it not just your life's purpose. Life's purpose of the very life. Even the cosmos' life's purpose is calling you. Make it. What for human life has happened on the planet Earth, that very purpose. Life in the cosmos is having a breakthrough, understand? The very existence in the cosmos is having a breakthrough. Make it. Drop your silly reasons. make it. You assumed human body for this moment to make this. It is not just your life's purpose. The very reason why life has happened on the planet Earth, that's purpose I am fulfilling. I am fulfillment. Sadashivoham is your life's purpose. Sadashivatva is the reason why life has happened on the planet Earth. That's purpose. I think that's all I can say. Now you need to contemplate. Now this need to sink in you and become your cognition. I'll give time for this to sink in you and become your cognition. Now I just need to give a little time for this to sink in you and become your cognition. It will take a little time for you all to realize that I have dropped a bomb, because you need to cognize. Now it's going above your head, I know. It's overwhelming. Only when few of what I said starts manifesting, you will understand, yes, 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 I think he is right. That's the way you come to the conclusion. So, if you feel just now I came back from India, again I have to pack my bags, I have a solution for you. That is why I am saying pack once for all. So, you don't need to have this problem of just now I came back, I have to pack up again. So understand, the very life's purpose is fulfilling itself. Ride the flow. Ride the great positive energy. Ride the happening. That's all for us of now. So decide, are you going to be participating or a spectator of the greatest, grandest spiritual happening on the planet Earth right now here in Bengaluru Adhinam? So from today I am introducing one more important process, manifesting cognitions, like manifesting powers, manifesting cognitions. So from today it starts in Bengaluru Adhinam. All the Adhinavasis will sit and churn yourself with these great truths and cognitions of Sadashivatva, and not like Vakyartha Sadas, much beyond Vakyartha Sadas. It should be Jivartha Sadas, not just Vakyartha Sadas. Jivartha Sadas. The very level is going to the next. The very level of the struggle is in a different level now. The very level of existence in different level now. The very level where you play is different level now. I should say very level where you exist is different now. So maybe the manifesting cognitions, once it starts happening, you will have more making news, flash news. I think instead of the word flash news, we should say enlightening news. And instead of breaking news, we should use the word making news. So today, Facebook status for all of you, making news, from manifesting powers to manifesting cognitions, from Sadashivoham to Sadashivatva. I'll expand further in further satsangs, LSPs, sessions. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living. Shuddhadvaita Saivam Sada Shivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.